Hello. Ah! Crap. I lost the mic. Hello. I am back again for more unboxings. If you look to my left, you'll see several packages, and let's just get right to it. First unboxing is, I'm gonna call it a strainer, but I think, yes, it's, I'm on the Amazon page for this thing. It's actually called a Colander. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I just call it a strainer, Colander. So this is Agecash 111 kitchen collapsible colanders. I don't know why it's plural because I think there's only one. I basically got this thing because I recently started cooking a lot more, and basically I don't have a lot of things people generally have when they cook in their kitchen. So I do not have a colander, a strainer, and I actually don't have pots and pans either. No, correction, I do have a frying pan. So, you know, maybe I'll be unboxing pots soon too, because now I have a colander. I'm probably gonna use this if I cook pasta, but also I have been buying fruits like strawberries, blueberries, all that good stuff, and I've just been kind of doing a bootleg method of basically taking like a cereal bowl or just a regular bowl, just dumping water in it, and then just kind of tilting it, shaking it up, and like using my hand to kind of do one of these jobs. So kind of like a human bootleg strainer colander. And now that I actually have one of these, this should come in handy. This is actually unavailable right now on Amazon, at least in this color. And I believe the reason why it's unavailable is, for whatever reason, the red one was $8.99, and I'm looking at the other ones. They're like this green one's $10.99. I got this again, 4.5 stars. It's an Agecash 111 kitchen collapsible space saver folding silicone strainer, drainer bowls with handles for hot or cold food, fruit, vegetable, blah blah blah, multi-purpose, silicone, ergonomic design, collapsible colanders. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. 1 year warranty with 30 days money back. I always find these things interesting because I think the average person doesn't take up a company when they offer these types of guarantees. To be frank, I don't. So that doesn't really affect my purchasing decision, but maybe it does for some people. Maybe people actually do use them. I feel like, you know, if it's a bigger ticket item, I am sure more people are want to do it. This is ranked pretty low in overall kitchen and dining purchases. Under colanders, it ranks number 79. I don't know how I end up finding this actually, because it's ranked pretty low. I usually probably pick something in the top like 30. You know, with that said, the review is excellent quality. These colanders are sturdy and well designed. It will handle 2 or 3 servings of pretty much anything. This is one word of caution, and this is mostly my fault. I assumed the 13-inch dimension with it was its diameter. It's not. The colander is only 8 inches in diameter and about a 5-inch handle. Much smaller than I expected, but still meets our needs. Yeah, so, yeah, this is probably, yeah, like the guy says, this is actually 8 inches probably in diameter right here. So if you're looking for something bigger, this probably isn't it. Just holding it, it's pretty sturdy. I like the fact that it is collapsible, probably saves some room. That's about it. I'm going to next open this box next. Whoa, all right.